Autumn ends. The first snow falls. A bear walks into the darkness of its den. And for 6 months, it does not come out again. All that time, it does not eat or drink. It does not take a single step. Spring. The den opens and the bear walks out. Muscle and bone, intact. 6 months starved. How is its body unharmed? First, in all that time, it never once urinates. So where does all the waste inside its body go? Normally, that waste builds up in the blood and destroys the body from within. But the bear's body breaks it down and rebuilds it into protein. What should be poison becomes flesh instead. Lie still for half a year and muscle should waste away. But that reclaimed protein rebuilds the muscle day after day. Bone is the harder problem. A still body loses bone. Even astronauts lose 1 to 2% a month despite exercising daily. So a bear's bones, after 6 months lying down, should be hollow. But bone breaks down and rebuilds in equal measure. The balance never tips. The bear meets spring with the very bones it carried in. And in deep winter, in the deepest part of the den, a mother gives birth. Eating nothing, she makes milk and feeds her cub. Unable to eat. Where does that milk come from? She breaks down her own body to make it. She shrinks by nearly half. And still, her bones hold to the end. Spring. The den opens. Mother and cub walk into the light, side by side. 6 months of hunger and thirst, not one step taken. Bone and muscle, whole. The body that seemed dead asleep was, in truth, most precisely awake. Does the bear already know an answer we have yet to find? Nature speaks. We translate.